Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how we can import deal in CRM. So first of all, we have to click on CRM option. Once you click on CRM, you will get an option of deal. You have to click on deal section. Once you click on deal section, you will get an option to import deal. So you have to click on that import deal option. Once you click on import deal, then you have to upload data file in the CSV format. So we will choose a file from there itself. Once you have chosen the file, we have to select data file importing with ASCII. Then we have to choose column separator that is comma, and then we have to do the next. Once you click on next, it will give the fields which are available on the document to fetch it. So now we'll be mapping the fields. First, we will map it with ID and another will be mapping with deal name. Once is it done, we'll click on next. As of now, you can see it is getting successfully imported. Once is it done, you can click on ready. So you can see the data has been imported successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more content, drop your thoughts or question in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.